I think the first sentence most of us learned in English was, "Hello, how are you?" And the simplest answer they taught us was, "I'm fine, thank you." But let me be honest, almost every beginner uses this, because it's the only way they know. But now, if you want to level up your English and learn more than just the basics, you're watching the right video. Hello everyone, welcome to Talkino. This is Mobina, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you 10 different ways to answer "How are you?" just like native speakers do in their everyday conversations. So are you ready? Let's go. One, doing great. 1. Doing great. 2. Pretty good. 2. Pretty good. 3. Couldn't be better. 3. Couldn't be better. 4. Can't complain. 4. Can't complain. 5. All good. 5. All good. 1. I'm doing well, thank you. 1. I'm doing well, thank you. 2. Everything is going smoothly, thank you. 2. Everything is going smoothly, thank you. 3. I'm quite well, thank you for asking. 3. I'm quite well, thank you for asking. 4. I'm doing fine, appreciate your asking. 4. I'm doing fine, appreciate your asking. 5. All is well, thank you. 5. All is well, thank you.